Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Glide plus Airtable sync for real-time mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Glide website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, select New App to start creating your app. You will be prompted to choose a data source. Select Airtable from the available options. Next, open a new tab and log into your Airtable account. Create a new base or select an existing one that you would like to use for your app. Make sure your Airtable base has the appropriate data structure for your app. In Airtable, set up your tables, making sure each one has necessary fields defined. Return to the Glide tab and click on Connect to Airtable. You will be asked to grant Glide access to your Airtable account. Go through the authentication process to establish the connection. Once authenticated, select the Airtable base you want to sync with Glide. Glide will now import your tables. Review the imported tables to ensure they match your expectations. Now, head over to your app's layout settings in Glide. Customize the app interface according to your needs, using the data pulled from Airtable. To enable real-time syncing, ensure your Glide app settings allow for updates. Check the settings to confirm that live updates are enabled. Test the sync by making changes in Airtable. Switch back to your Glide app and observe the changes reflect in real time. You can fine-tune the app features and layout as needed. Finally, ensure you optimize your app for mobile viewing. Your Glide app is now successfully synced with Airtable for real-time updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.